Breaking news, Nigerians. The commencement of the full hearing in the governorship election petition of Edo State will fully commence on January 15th, 2025. This development is as the State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal adjourned the case. The adjournment followed an application filed by the lead counsel to the Independent National Electoral Commission and Okpebolo, the first and the second respondents, requesting the court to postpone the proceedings. It will be recalled that the petition was filed by Dr. Asue Iodalo and his party, the People's Democratic Party, challenging the declaration of Monday Okpebolo of the All Progressive Congress as the winner of the 21st September 2024 election. The petitioners, Monday Ihodalo, who is the first petitioner, alongside the People's Democratic Party, which is the second petitioner, are contesting INEC's declaration of Monday Okpebolo as the winner of the election. Earlier on December 21st, 2024, the tribunal, led by Justice Winifred, had adjourned the hearing to January 13, 2025, after the conclusion of the pre-hearing session. However, at the resumption of the case on January 13, 2025 in Benin City, the tribunal's Assistant Secretary, Dayo, had informed the court of a pending application from the first and second respondents seeking an adjournment to Wednesday. They explained the adjournment was requested because the lead counsel for the respondents was scheduled to appear before the Supreme Court on Tuesday, July 14th, for a matter set for definite hearing. This was not opposed by Oladipo, who stood in for the lead counsel of petitioners. Guys, this development was not also contested by Josephine, who is the lead counsel of the All Progressive Congress. It will be recalled that Monday Okpebolo, who was said to have secured 291,667 votes, defeating the PDP's Asue Iodalo, who gained 247,274 votes. The PDP has, however, severally disputed the results of the election announced by INEC in the state, declaring the All Progressive Congress APC winner of the election. Guys, I hope this is not what I'm thinking, because I'm sensing a pattern here. I hope they are not trying to waste the PDP's time. I hope they are not trying to waste Asue Iodalo's time, because this election petition tribunal should have concluded on this case by now. But no, they keep on adjourning the case. Now it's 2025. Who knows how long this case would hold in court, because the courts will keep on adjourning without making concrete judgments. There were a lot of tensions, there were a lot of anticipations, anxiety, as the tribunal announced its resumption of the petition, announced the resumption of the case in court, and everybody were itching to hear the final judgments. People were itching to know the outcome of the election tribunal. And mind you, this election tribunal is yet to give its final judgment on this case. And even if they do, if the PDP candidate Asue Iodalo is not satisfied with the judgment, he may approach the Supreme Court. And if they should give judgment in favor of Asue Iodalo, the APC candidate, the governor of Edo State, Monday Okpebolo, will also approach the Supreme Court. So until the matter gets to the Supreme Court, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning of the legal battle in Edo State. The beginning of the legal battle between the PDP and the APC in Edo State. And I really hope they are not doing this deliberately to waste people's time and to keep people's hopes up, because many people are crossing their fingers, hoping for a final judgment, so everybody will know where they stand. Now, there have been a lot of concerns, there have been a lot of talks regarding this election tribunal full hearing, and they commenced today. Today being January 15th, 2025. That was when they commenced the full hearing of the petition filed by the PDP candidate Asue Yodalo and also the All Progressive Congress and INEC are the defendants in this case, in this petition. So there are a lot of mixed reactions. There've been a lot of mixed reactions. There've been a lot of anxiety. There've been a lot of tensions. But what can we say? It is the court, and they have adjourned this case. So, my country people, what are your thoughts on this? We really hope at the end of the day, the PDP candidate Asue Yodalo would get justice, because he approached the court because he felt he was treated unfairly. He made several claims regarding what played out at the elections, that the APC and INEC, they work hand in hand. They collided, and they made sure that the PDP's votes were reduced. They brought out a lot of evidences to back up their claims. And, so many people also saw what played out at the election. It was glaring that obviously something went wrong somewhere. But what can we say? It's only the court that will give its final judgment. And as for the Edo governor, ever since he stepped into office, ever since he assumed his role as the governor of the state, it has been one controversy to another, one political battles to another, one face-off to another. It's obvious that he's fighting some persons in the state, using his political might, using his political powers, and obviously doesn't want opposition political parties to thrive in the state. With his recent battles with the council local government chairman, and how some councillors are being allegedly used by the governor to impeach their local council chairman on behalf of the governor. So there are a whole lot of events going on in Edo State, coupled with this recent Edo Election Petition Tribunal's judgment and the adjournment of the case. Guys, I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comment section. Thank you.